The only reason why insecurity is today in Nigeria is because it's turned into a business. There's no way non-state actors can be more powerful than the state. One person must be in charge. I was a governor. And you also heard the famous kidnapper Ivan said that he was underneath and they ran out of the state. Because at the time, it was difficult in the state when I was governor, and I came here and told the then president, one person must be in charge. Either I'm in charge or these people are in charge. And if I'm going to be in charge, anybody that will find doing the wrong thing will deal with it decisively. We need to secure our content. And we use every means possible if we are determined to do that. Come to me today and say, let me tell you, I was married, I've been married for over 30 years. Nobody will ever tell you today he attended Peter's wife carriage or wedding. Because the number was few. In each case, there were not more than 1 dozen people. Because I do not see how we can carry the money, we eat at our house, call people and entertain them, and go home and start quarreling. No. So I said, no, don't go there. My wife wanted it, and I said, no. We need this money at home. Because that's what happens today. They go and do big wine carrying, do big wedding, and start quarreling. Because they're not owing for drink, they're not owing for this, they're not owing for that. If I tell you in my private business, in my previous business, if I tell you how many people that were owing me for drink, they use for wedding, you won't believe it. And then because they will quarrel. Because the man now becomes annoying for little things. What is annoying is that money is spent for wine carrying and wedding. Don't go and do that. Don't go and do nonsense celebration. You have a child, 1 year celebration, 2 year celebration. That is not school fees. Use that money to pay his or her school fees. The same thing with birthday party. Celebrate your birthday party alone. If you can't afford it, don't even bother. Don't call anybody. Go to mass and go home. I'm a Christian. I'm from North, I'm from East, I'm from West. Go and Google it. I asked the President Joko. Last year, a country of 90% Muslim, last year, October, we had Pope Francis visit Indonesia. And Google it. The president, who is a Muslim, declared public holidays. I went to receive him in the airport. I said, Joko, you're a Muslim. He said to me, that was the best thing that happened to our country. We were all in stadium and he prayed for us. If it's in this country, I spent days going from one power plant to the other. Egypt was generating less than 20,000 megawatts by 2015. By 2021, Egypt was generating over 45,000 megawatts. As me and you speak, Egypt exports power to Europe. Exports power. Because they are producing more than their need. It's an African country. It is not rocket science. The contractors that are doing it in Egypt, I sat down with them, I talked with them, and I told them, you're working in Nigeria. Why is he working in Egypt? He's not working in Nigeria. They told me it is Nigerian problem.